Let's make my not so traditional chicken congee soup with brown rice. First things first, we are going to coat our chicken thigh fillets, which I have cubed, with corn flour, chicken stock powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper. We're going to set that aside while we get started on the soup. So in a pot, I'm adding some oil, some sesame oil, and our diced carrots, coriander stems, and our julienne fresh ginger, along with our spring onions. I'm going to sweat that off for a little bit before we add in our water. We're going to bring it up to the boil and then lower the heat down. We're going to rinse off our brown rice, add it in and cook it on low with the lid ajar for about 30 minutes before we add in our chicken. Let it simmer for a little bit, add in our corn flour slurry, let it cook away, season with salt, pepper, and add in our coriander leaves before we serve it up. You could serve this up with a little bit more sesame oil, some chili oil, and that is it. Enjoy. It is so delicious.